4 stars on Amazon from 176 reviews and costing just £31. But is this compact soundbar any good? Let's find out. Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the super affordable GOODEE 2.0 soundbar. Yes, you heard me right, GOODEE. It's the first time I've heard of the brand, and from what I can see online they mainly produce projectors, but look to have branched out into the audio market too. This is a very compact soundbar for a small TV or monitor, as it's just 58 centimeters in length and weighs just 850 grams. The plastic case houses 4 5-watt speakers, giving a total output of just 20 watts. Now that doesn't sound like much, it isn't much, but we will get into performance a little bit later. There's a black metal grille covering and protecting the speakers, and a glossy black section to the front, which I thought was a display, but it's just for appearance. To the rear of the soundbar you will find the power port, 3.5mm jack port, RCA connections and a TF card slot. As well as those inputs, it comes with Bluetooth for a wireless connection. To the top of the soundbar there are the controls, on off, volume up down, play pause and input change buttons. There is no display, just an indicator light to the front. The soundbar comes with a remote control, a very short USB cable and an RCA cable. This little soundbar really confuses me. It's given me very mixed signals. Firstly, there is a definite lack of connections. There is no optical port or HDMI ARC, and quite frankly RCA is as old as me, and 3.4mm jack doesn't offer the best quality. It's also charged and powered by micro USB, and it has a built-in battery, meaning you don't have to leave it plugged in all the time. This would suggest that they want you to use it as a portable speaker as well as a soundbar, which adds to the confusion. One good thing about it being USB powered is that my TV could actually power the soundbar direct via its onboard USB port, so there's no need to plug it into the socket, which was pretty handy. There is also no way of mounting the soundbar to the wall, nor could you, with the way that the inputs are at the rear have been designed. That being said, I'm not sure I'd want to. Some of the images on Amazon have clearly been photoshopped to make it look bigger than it is. Sitting underneath my 50-inch TV, it just looked pathetic, but under my 27-inch monitor, it didn't look so bad. As for performance, it actually wasn't too bad at all and took me by surprise. Watching general TV, it was perfectly fine and more than likely better than the speakers within your TV, as it was mine. As for movies, it does obviously lack a little in the bass area and doesn't offer any Dolby, DTS or simulated surround sound, but then you can't expect that at this price point. Thanks to the Bluetooth option, I paired the soundbar to my smartphone and played a few of my favourite songs. It's not the loudest, but it was very enjoyable and ideal for background music. The listing states a battery life of 2 hours, which I'd agree with, maybe a little less, but if you can, just keep it plugged in. The remote control it comes with is very simple, but it works fine and you'll be able to control it without problem from your sofa. Also, you can pair 2 soundbars together. I'm not sure why, as there isn't enough intelligence to correctly have the second one as a rear speaker, but you may find a use for that. There is also an FM receiver built in somewhere. With all that taken into consideration, does this deserve a 4-star rating? It's close, but I'd probably say 3, maybe 3.5 stars. At just £31, I'm impressed with the sound quality, the fact that it has, it can be battery powered and it has Bluetooth connectivity, but I'm not overly convinced with the design, the build quality, and it's definitely lacking in connections. I would recommend this soundbar for watching TV shows on smaller screens, up to 32 inch maybe, or computer monitors. For bigger TVs, and if you enjoy your movies, you need to spend a little bit more and get something more substantial. So that's a wrap on the GOODEE compact soundbar. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with upcoming content.